Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about equations involving algebraic expressions. This maths is intended for grade 8. So I have here solved the equation and check the solution. Number 1, 5 over x plus 2 is equal to 3 over x minus 2 plus 2x over 4 minus x squared. Take note, this denominator is not properly arranged, so I need to arrange this one. So I need to copy this one. 5 over x plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 2, then plus 2x over, arrange this one, should be minus x squared, then plus 4. Again, copy the fraction 5 over x plus 2, then also copy this one, 3x minus 2, then plus 2x. I need to factor the negative sign. So this will be negative. To factor the negative sign, the first term and the second term will change the sign. So if this is negative, this will be positive. Then, if this is positive, change to negative. So again, copy 5 over x plus 2 is equals to 3 over x minus 2. Okay, positive divide by negative, this will be negative. This will be 2x. This will be x squared minus 4. Okay, so I need to factor the denominator, x squared minus 4, this one. So, sorry, this is 5. So 5 over x plus 2 is equal to 3 over x minus 2, then minus 2x over, so take note, this is difference of two squares. So this is square root of 4 is 2, that's squared. So my factors are x plus 2 and then x minus 2. So in here, I have x plus 2, then x minus 2. Okay, copy again, 5 over x plus 2 is equal to LCD, x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 2. So I have my LCD, x plus 2, and then x minus 2. Okay, this is my LCD. Divide the first denominator and second denominator. So LCD divide the first denominator. So my LCD are x plus 2 and then x minus 2. Divide by x minus 2. So this will be crossed out. So x plus 2 times 3. Or you can put here before x plus 2. Then minus LCD divide by second denominator. So I think I can write in here. LCD is x plus 2, then x minus 2, divide by the second denominator. So x minus 2, so cross out, cross out, cross out. So this will be 1. 1 times 2x. And then copy the first fraction at the left side. So 5 over x plus 2 is equal to, distribute this one. This will be 3x. Distribute, plus 6. And then 1 times 2x is minus 2x. Then copy the denominator, 2 plus x and then 2 minus x. So 5 over x plus 2 is equal to, simplify this one, combine 3x minus 2x. So this is subtraction because unlike sign. So 3 minus 2 is 1, or simply I'll write x. Why is it positive? Because 3 is greater than 2 and then 3 is having a positive sign. So therefore, this is positive x. Then copy plus 6 over x plus 2 over x minus 2. Times, x minus 2. So I need to cross multiply. So this will be 5x plus 2, and then x minus 2. Then this one also equals x plus 2, then x plus 6. So I need to divide both sides by common. There is x plus 2 at the left side, and then there is x plus 2 at the right side. So divide to make it easy. Divide x plus 2 both sides. So this will be cross out also. So I have here 5 times x minus 2 is equals to x plus 6. Then I need to distribute this one. 5x minus 10 is equals to x plus 6. And then I need to place x at the left side. Minus x, and then this will be 6. The constant will be at the right side. Plus 10. So this will be, what is 5x minus x? This will be 4x. 6 plus 10 is 16. Then divide by 4 both sides in order to solve the value of x. So x now is equal to 4. So the value or the solution set, or mean the root, is 4. And then let us check if this is correct. Substitute x equals to 4 to the given equation. The given equation is 5 over x plus 2 is equal to 3 over x minus 2 plus 2x over 4 minus x squared. Okay, take note, our x is equals to 4. So substitute 4 in the given equation. So 5 over 4 plus 2 is equals to 3. X is 4 minus 2 plus 2 times 4 over 4 minus 4 squared. So this will be 5 over 6 is equal to 3 over 2. Then how about the next fraction? This will be plus 8 over 4 minus 16. So this will be 5 over 6 is equal to 3 over 2 plus 8 over, take note, this is subtraction. So if subtraction, 16 minus 4, that is 12. And then what's the sign? The sign is negative because 16 is greater than 4. Since 16 is having a negative sign, so therefore this will be minus. So 5 over 6 is equal to, sorry, I need to write properly. 5 over 6 is equal to 3 over 2. Then positive divided by negative, that will be minus. And then I need to reduce 8 and 12. So I need to divide by what? 4. So this will be 3 over, 2, sorry. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And then 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I have 2 over 3. Then copy again at the left side. So since this is the similar fraction, so I need to find the LCD. So to find LCD, just multiply this one. 2 times 3 is 6. And then start dividing 6 by 2. 3 times 3, 9. Then minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. Times 2 is 4. Then I have here 5 over 6. Then 9 minus 4 is 5 over 6. So the equation is equal. So therefore, my root x equals 4 is correct. So that's all for this topic.